Hey guys, welcome to JRockYoga. I'm Jess, and today in this video, you're gonna learn how to do Warrior 1 or Virabhadrasana 1. Let's get started. So you can stand at the top of your mat. We'll take really rooted down into the feet. We're gonna step your left foot back. So right foot is going to be facing forward. Back foot is gonna be facing 45 degrees. So since this is my left foot, it's gonna be facing about 11 o'clock. Now you wanna think about drawing the right knee directly above the right ankle. So you're gonna feel a nice stretch in the inner thighs. And then think about pressing into the outer edge of your back foot. You're gonna feel the inner thigh lift up toward the sky. Maybe your toes lift up, and maybe you think about drawing the feet toward one another, really magnetizing them in. So we have this strong foundation. And then pull belly in, draw low ribs in, and reach the arms up toward the sky. So in this pose, so many people are like, square your hips. I think the hips are never gonna be completely square because one leg is forward and one leg is back, right? So we're gonna square the rib cage. You could even put your hands on the rib cage, inhale to lift it up, and then gently rotate it forward. You're gonna feel a little bit of a deeper stretch down your left side body. Again, neck is long, gaze is forward, fingers are spread wide, and then pull the low ribs in, activating the core. This is your Warrior 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, like it below, comment on what you'd like to see next. If you didn't like it, dislike it below. But if you're interested in more content like this, please give me a subscribe. And if you want to follow me on any other social media, my website is JRockYoga.com and my Instagram is @JRockYoga. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next week.